In this lesson, we're going to learn about one of the most important basic math principle called Bodmas. So let's understand what Bodmas is. Bodmas stands for, let's put in capital letters, B O D M A and S. So what does Bodmas mean? This one means brackets, operand, or to the power of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, now we know what Bodmas means. It means brackets, operand, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Operand stands for the power of. Okay, so let's say once you start mixing various mathematical equations, whenever you do addition and subtractions together, it doesn't matter. Whether you do division and multiplication together, they don't matter. But once you start mixing division and multiplication together with either addition or subtraction, it is important that Bodmas comes into play. Okay? Let's see for this example. Okay? Let's take for this example the type equals. We put 12. We add it plus 3, which is 15. Then we multiply by 2. Then you press enter. We expect to get 30, but you get 18. 12, if you double click on it again, or you can just look at the formula bar, A1, which is 12, plus A2, which is 3, it's supposed to be 15, plus A5, which is 2, 15 multiplied by 2 is supposed to be 30, but we get the results as 18. So which means once we have started mixing multiplication and additions together, we need to implement something called the Bodmas into effect. So what if you want to achieve the results that we desire, what you simply need to do is to start placing our divisions and our multiplication and additions into groupings using brackets. So what we can do, we can put A1 into a bracket, A1 plus A2, which is 15, then multiply by 2, which you expect to be 30. Once you press enter, you get the right result. So remember, if you're not getting the right calculation in Excel, it's because you're mixing either division, multiplication with either addition and subtraction. But if you're doing addition and subtraction, it doesn't matter. If you're doing division and multiplication together, it doesn't matter. But when you start mixing division and multiplication with either addition and subtraction, you have to implement something called the Bodmas, which means you have to start with a bracket, or Excel is not going to give you the right answer. And that is how you start to use Bodmas in your Excel calculations. If this lesson is not clear, please look at the video again and understand the basic operation of Bodmas. It's quite important and very crucial so that you can get the right result each and every time that you're doing tabulations within the Excel program. See you in the next lesson.